And the flavor is strawberry. The color of it is pink.
How are they gonna know?
What if your friends in your class, if you have to read it out in front of your class, they know.
Today. So I have a lot of slimes lined up. Here's the container we're going to be mixing in. Because all my stuffings, and there's just some back there. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is this slime I've had for a while now, which is kind of liquidy. I don't really know why. We're going to add this one, which I really like. Or thought I did. Okay. It's kind of. There we go. Some of these slimes are big, so I'm only going to portion them out. But some of these slimes are in tiny little bags. But I'm not going to portion them out. I'm just going to dump the whole thing in. Sorry, I can't show it because I have to have one hand doing it and then one hand.
You can write your own way. Just make the
but
right.
you can hear me doing it. Or hopefully you can. If the audio picks up.
If you make a mistake, you have to fix things. That's life. Get used to it. We have to. I do it all the time.
Looks like horrible crap. I'll show you it in the bowl after. Really good. Okay. There's one slime. Hold on, there's still some slime on my hand. This slime is pretty clicky. Let's see if I can get it. Try. Very clicky. Ooh, good. Here it is. It's a nice maroon color. Wow. That's the first slime. The next slime. Let's see. Oh, I have some dry slime on this one that exploded. Ooh. So this clay slime. I don't remember what the video was from. Or it might be from my friend.
You have to write in what you change about it.
I never actually put it on mine because I was too lazy to.
How would you make it better?
No,
You don't have to erase the whole thing.
We did. This slime is pretty stretchy, pretty kind of sticky. Which is really stretchy. No quickie because it's a butter slime, but it does spread very well. If I can get it almost spreading. Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna add.
What's the problem, Robbie?
I'm gonna keep a quarter of it, or about a quarter of it. So this is what I'm keeping. So I can have this from the batch. Actually, I'll add half from here. So then I'll just throw half in clip-link. That's what the slime is. Really like it. I'm gonna shove it into a bag. It's like swallowing jelly. I can't put this one in the. Okay, the reason why I put that one in because it's kind of sticky. Like, so then this is both the slimes inside. I don't want to poke it that much because then I want to mix it all up together. So this is a giant made with also clay. I love the clay-based slime. slime's kind of hard. Doesn't really stretch. Needs lotion. Sorry for the background noises. Clap. There it goes. Now it's gold. Like gold. Okay. Now we're going to close. We can move on to the next slime. Some slimes that don't like stretch, don't float, don't float. I'm just gonna kind of throw them in. And look back. So this is a giant slime, which I'm in. I'm wondering the colors. It's gonna make like two purple, the goldy, smaller colors. Ooh, this slime is interesting. This slime has glitter in it, which I do not remember putting in it. Weirdly enough. It's actually semi-clicky. Too bad of a click. Pretty stretchy.
Oh my God, Robbie, what's the
The
problem?
beads give us some texture. So I'm gonna pop in there. I'm gonna show you those two slimes in there. I'm not gonna try today.
What happened here? What did you do here?
And after all
Don't
this,
race it again. Rewrite it.
I'm going to put it in a Dunkin' Donuts cup and make it smoother. Kind of like a smoothie. These are the slimes.
That's wet for me. And Chewy's with an E.
Far.
This thing is
Ooh,
wiggly?
now we have this.
What happened to the other pencil that I gave you? Why is it thrown in here?
It's broken.
It's like a squishy.
Yeah, when I got broken.
So how about you tell me, and I... This one's not
like
broken
a
and it's a good pencil.
hard clay slime.
Like I said, if you would have did it earlier, when we told you to, when you would have,
It's another map. Pop that in.
before you start getting tired,
I think there's only a few. Oh, no.
there's a reason. We always say it.
We're not just adding some slime, we're adding some foam beads and some mutter instead of muddle.
Stop trying to rewrite that part and then go on. Move on.
Hairs. Yep. Excellent. These little zip lock bags. So I'm gonna do the others zip lock bag. Two zip lock bags. This one has soap in it. It's like a good smelling soap too. It also has lots of glitter. I just used to the container, so I'm gonna put it to the container. Except I don't have the container open. That's what I'm kind of trying to do, to get some containers. I'm gonna add some. This slime is pretty sticky. I grabbed a clump with a lot of glitter, so then we're a nice glittering mix. It smells like soap. I don't know what you. It's like a glue-based slime with only. It only has foaming hand wash in it. It's not too bad of a slime. So that's we're gonna plunk her right in there. Next time I really
What's the
recommend
problem?
put it in, but it's a slime smoothie for all my slimes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think. I'm not sure. There could be others under there. Oh my god, look at this. This is like. This is a cornstarch base. All the rest of these are cornstarch. Very fun. Very squishy. So we're gonna plop it in there. I know you're gonna comment and oh my god, all your slime. Not this this one. And the other one. So I'm gonna. The slime is also very glossy. Very glossy. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this one. Oh, that's good. That's fine. This is also cornstarch. Yes, it is also orange because a lot of slime is
What?
mixed.
You're not helping me.
A lot.
Wait, I thought you
What
already...
is going on? Oh, I can leave it there. We can't change it.
Okay,
So I'm
if
gonna
you need help, I'm right here. Ask
add
me.
slime. I'm
So what is
calling
it?
this tree Italian
You're not
tree
doing anything.
What do you mean I'm not doing anything? I'm
You're
not...
not helping me.
activator.
Did you finish writing everything?
No.
So what do you need help
I'm
with?
gonna add a little bit of
Tell me what you need
this.
help with.
Kind of sticky.
I don't need it yet.
So I'm right here. When you need the help, I'm right here.
This top is wet for some reason. Don't understand. Okay. This is our slimes. Maybe so far. Ooh, good.
Never again.
I'm not sure if I
You
want
know,
to
you always make us regret letting you wait to do homework.
Okay.
And then all I have to do is your time.
So then we're gonna add.
Did you finish copying? Okay. So what was the last sentence that you had?
And all those zombies. I think all of them are out. Yep, all the ones that I can get out are. There they are, my beads. They're kind of like sticking to the surface, so I'm gonna add some of this. This is really fun. Oh, that's me sitting up next to my water bottle. We're gonna add about like a quarter of a quarter. So it's very little.
C-H-E-W-Y.
There's some slime.
So I put.
You had a, oh,
Where?
I fixed it, that's why.
Very little.
There was an E right there.
It's kind of.
Whatever, Rob, you still needed to rewrite it because you said it wasn't good anyway, so what is the problem?
This I'm gonna pop it up into a bowl. Here's square, something. And just make it spread. Okay. This is what we got. Now it's time for the next thing. I'm gonna place it on me because I'm on me. Kind of here-ish.
What's that smell?
What is it?
What's that smell?
What is it?
There it
Like
is.
no one smells it.
No, I don't smell it. What is it? What do you smell?
We're gonna move it so the cat's in the back.
You want me to shut the front door?
No. No, I don't believe it for you. I'm gonna copy.
Okay, so will you tell me what your last sentence is so I know what we have to write next? What did your last sentence say, Robbie?
My favorite flavor is strawberry.
You could say, and it is a pink candy.
Almost done. It's so good. It's like a rainbow kind of.
Period.
This slime is I can feel it like one bead.
Did you write that already? All right, now you gotta write about what you would do to make it better.
I feel like it's gonna turn into like a disgusting brown color.
Ew.
It's really nice. You got like all the colors. Let me stretch that out. There's all the colors there. This slime.
Stop. She's doing stuff, Robbie.
Get into the bed.
No, she's
Okay.
doing the video thing. Leave her alone, Robbie.
There we go. This is
What
actually.
do we do to make it? What would you do to make it better? You have flavors, right?
Butter toast a cookie, but when you stretch it, it feels like a cornstarch buttery kind of one, which is oh god, which I kind of like. And adding that matter actually gave it that nice texture. And then when you stretch it, you can see all the beads, not beads, all the glitter from that slime.
Robbie. Right, please.
So I'm gonna move this out of the way. And it turned into this kind of purpley browny color.
Add more colors, right?
Yeah.
Add more flavors. Sorry.
I'm gonna add more of this one because
What'd you,
it's kind of
what'd you
sticky.
put?
I put
So
some
it'll add a nice consistency. Oh gosh. No. Oh, God. No. Okay. Okay, that right up. Nice. Well,
lemon peach. What color is peach?
Peach is like a.
No, what color is an almond?
A what?
An almond.
A what?
An almond.
An Aaron?
Yeah.
tan.
Aaron's not a peach. I mean a flavor.
Yeah. Wait, what? A peach? What color is a peach?
A peach is peach flavor.
What color?
It's like a peach color. I don't know how it's like a light orange.
Oh.
Okay, orange peach.
Try. Oh god. Rubbing it out. It's like stickiness.
So you're gonna say I would make some new flavors? Is that what you wrote?
No. I'm making more flavors.
So since I added this one, the other one's I'm gonna add most of my quickie ones back into it, or like some of my sticky ones, because then it's gonna give it that nice. You're wondering what I just did. I just grabbed some from another slime and putting that in it so I can stretch it, click it. So you can something really satisfying. See that like little layer there? The spider. It's like really satisfying. This slime, another container. So I have some.
There you go, Mommy. I'm finished.
You finished it?
There's a giant slime
Right.
smoothie.
Now you have to write out your reading log and you're done.
Look at that
Okay?
orange
And then
bubble.
you write period at the end of your thing?
Yeah.
Oh no,
Alright, hold on.
slime. I died a top. Oh,
Mr. Candy anyway.
sorry. You use that bin for
Huh?
slime.
I read.
You have to write your log.
I read.
I know you read. You have to write the log.
It's turning into a different color, so I'm just gonna do a swirl. Make it look nice. I don't know.
Stop.
Kind of
Leave
stretchy.
her alone. Leave her alone.
Kind of. It's very heavy. Let's see this
Yeah.
swirl. It's too big. I can't.
Robbie, please hand
Squish out the
blue
bubbles.
thing in tomorrow, please. This has to go in.
It's like the bubbles. Let's see. Spreads pretty nicely. Okay. Since I guess all that clay from all that one. Kind of. We still have my cup, which I really like my cup. My cup. Okay. It's good. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna move my water because it's watering the table.
What are you doing, Robbie?
I'm getting some P&J soon,
That
so
was
I
I
should
was
be able to get
it wasn't.
Who is it?
nicer scents.
You don't know.
Instead of it smelling like
Wait.
lotion or clay, like it's just not it. It's just not good. It smells like lotion or clay. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'll show you in a minute. But good. Lay it in there. So anybody know what this is? If you're a part of this group, you should.